TekiBox, you are f***ing scum. Alright, so I was browsing online a few months ago and I came across an advert for a thing called TekiBox. It was saying it was $59.95 and it was over $500 in value. I was like, alright, where's the poop? Well, it came today. They guarantee, you're probably going to get something like, a gaming chair or, virtual reality headset or, wireless mobile controller, custom gaming controllers, all of this really, really great stuff. And I was like, there's poop somewhere. There is absolutely poop somewhere. What the f***? It looks nothing like the advert. But guess what? We get to unbox it together. Aren't you pumped? I am. Alright, here we go. First thing. Okay, it's a headphone stand. It gives you installation tips as well. So you plug one thing on the other thing on the other thing. Alright, so... Alright. Okay, cool, so we get this bit. It's actually made of metal, so I guess that's kind of cool. And then you get this bit here, which is flimsy, but I paid $80–90 Australian for a piece of metal, a piece of plastic, and a piece of rubber so far. This other thing better be a PlayStation. But it's not very big, so I highly doubt it. It's got nothing on it. HYSJ Hoost. Gaming. It's one of those. It's literally, I paid for half a keyboard. TekiBox, you're f***ing scum. Seriously. Oh my god, man. Don't even get me started on how long it took to get here. I think I ordered it in February. It'll be there in 4 weeks. And it was like, yeah, it'll be there in 4 weeks. It is now halfway through April. They were like, yeah, it's quarantine. Dude, I ordered stuff from Wuhan almost, I reckon, and it came here in 4 weeks. The epicenter of coronavirus. So don't give me that crap, seriously. You are a bunch of criminals. I cannot believe I fell for this. Actually, I didn't really fall for it. I knew it was gonna happen. I just knew it was too good to be true. But, I guess, what can you expect? Alright, so as you can see, TekiBox, nice website. Look at that. It's on special. It's excellent. These are the things that you can win. Look at this. Win some headphones, you can win a Switch, which everyone's after. Look at the options. The devil. And that's the options that you have. Now when you go into it, you go into the catalogue. Check out it. Unreal. Look at this, you get a console or a mouse pad, gaming keyboard, all of these kind of things. Look at this. So that's what I got, but it's not even that brand. Absolutely disgusting that they're doing this. Anyway guys, that's this video. Yeah, I just thought I'd touch base, with my whole 27 subscribers. Woo! Anyway, if you want this, just leave a comment or a like or something and I'll send it off to one of you. I'll get your details. I don't really need it. I don't play that kind of game where this is vital. I've got a normal keyboard, so I'll give you half a keyboard if you'd like. Subscribe and comment on my video. I'm going to subscribe to some other mystery boxes. It's a bit fun. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subscribe to some more, see what other ones we can do, maybe look at eBay or an Amazon or a Funko one, you know, give that a crack, see how we go with it. I reckon that'd be a little bit of fun. But yeah, in the meantime, you know, stay out of trouble, you know, enjoy your time indoors, make the most of when we're all free. But you know, for now, take it easy, peace.